5 tourist treasures you must visit in your life, Dubai. Welcome to Dubai, a fascinating and modern city that combines tradition and modernity. Here are 5 must-visit places on your trip. Burj Khalifa. If the architects wanted to attract the attention of the world, they would certainly succeed in the form of the Burj Khalifa. This majestic piece of engineering and architecture that graces the city's skyline is one of the world's most famous and recognizable landmarks. Its height exceeds 828 meters, which makes it the tallest building on Earth. Burj Khalifa is not only a viewpoint, but also a cultural and business center. From the top of the building, there is a view of the amazing structures and futuristic skyscrapers that make up Dubai's character. Golden Souk, or the Golden Bazaar? When you enter the Golden Bazaar, you immediately feel the magic of this place. It's as if time has stopped, and the Arabian shopping tradition is reflected here. This labyrinth of streets and shops tempts with intricate gold, silver, and precious stones. The history of the Golden Souk dates back to a time when Dubai was an important trading port, and the bazaar played a key role in the exchange of goods between Asia, Africa, and Europe. You can still feel the spirit of the past and get beautiful souvenirs from this unique place, Dubai Mall. There is no better place to experience an exciting mix of shopping, entertainment, and culture than Dubai Mall. It is a real paradise for shoppers, but not only. Inside, there are countless shops offering the highest quality products from around the world. But the attractions don't stop there. You'll discover the Dubai Aquarium, where you'll encounter amazing sea creatures. It is also a unique experience to watch the spectacle of a waterfall filled with wild sounds and light. Burj Dubai and Dubai Museum. To explore Dubai's roots and immerse yourself in its historic soul, head to Burj Dubai. This traditional part of the city is home to many stunning attractions, but the highlight is the Dubai Museum, housed in the historic fort. This fort, built in the 18th century, has always played an important defensive role for the city. The museum will transport you back in time to learn about the history of the region, as well as the traditions and culture. Exhibitions showcasing original exhibits and artifacts will give you a better understanding of Dubai's rich heritage. Dubai Desert. Following in the footsteps of history, move into the magic world of the Dubai Desert. This unique experience will allow you to discover the traditional Bedouin way of life, come into contact with authentic Arab culture. A trip to the desert is a cool idea for a break from the modern city during the trip on camels, which for centuries have been an inseparable element of transport in this land. You will feel the peace and harmony of nature. In the evening, dinner at the camp in the Bedouin Desert Village, where you will experience the traditional flavors of Bedouin cuisine while admiring the sunset, will be an unforgettable experience. A trip to Dubai is like traveling through time, where the past and the future intertwine in surprising ways. These 5 places are just the tip of the iceberg of what this unique city has to offer. Fascinating experiences await you, the beauty of architecture and the richness of culture that will remain in your memory forever. Culture in Dubai is a mix of tradition and modernity. The local inhabitants, called Emiratis, are hospitable by nature and respect their traditions. Islam is the main religion, so remember to respect local customs, such as dressing modestly and avoiding eating in public during Ramadan. Transportation in Dubai is extremely comfortable and modern. You can use taxis, subways, buses, and even trams to get around the city. It is a well-organized transport network that makes it easy to visit various attractions. When it comes to eating habits, Dubai is home to a wealth of diverse cuisines, each with an appealing taste. It is worth trying authentic Arab dishes, such as hummus, falafel, or kebabs, in places typical for tourists. There will be no problem with access to international cuisine. It is also important to remember that alcohol is mainly available in hotels and licensed restaurants, and public consumption of alcohol is strictly prohibited. May this information help you imagine a wonderful trip to Dubai. It is a city of contrasts that combines the past and future. And your trip will surely be an unforgettable